Welcome to Google Helpful Content Update Recovery. Today we are talking about comments. Since the last Google updates, it seems Google prefers websites with comment functionality so that your users can write a comment for your blog post. If you want to try it out, you can use tools like Disqus, where the users have one account and can comment on all kinds of different websites, or you just use the basic WordPress functionality. This is what I did. I tried this on one of my websites, plus I used this tool here. It's free, it's Comments Engine AI, where you can auto-generate comments for a specific blog post or topic. If you want to hyperscale this up, you can use a tool like this, where you can download the post ID of all your posts and then upload the file again with as many comments as you want for each blog post. I did it because I didn't want to wait until 1, 2, 3 comments of real users come in to see if this makes a difference. I wanted to see if there is a positive reaction for blog posts that have a lot of comments. I did it about a week ago. Up to now, I didn't see any reaction, positive or negative. So let's wait. If you write your own comments, I would do it in a way that you write things like, I tested this and that product and I think this is a good fit for this and that, so that you have more first-hand knowledge on your site. Okay, this was it. As soon as I have any positive or negative reaction on the pages where I added comments, I let you know.